students, I am Dr. Ritika, faculty of CSA department as an associate professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. Today, we are going to deliver the lecture on the subject of computer application in management, and today we will cover the topic of our previous year question papers, the MDU, the final exams which is conducted by the MDU, the question paper, which type of question paper are appear in front of you, which is related to our computer application in management subject. So that type of question paper and related to the, or we can say related to the questions, what type of questions we will face according to our syllabus, according to our sections. So that type of question we will solve one question of our previous year paper. So let's start about some previous year question papers. Now, like here is the roll number, you will mention the roll number, is the paper code which is related to your computer application in management. The semester is mentioned. This paper shows the pattern of your MBU. Here the examination, when the examination will held is in April or December, two time related to the semester wise. So here are the year is mentioned, that is April 2018. So this paper is related to the April 2018 and we will solve this paper. And here is the paper code is mentioned, time is related to 3 hours and maximum marks is 50. And some instruction is written here is, before answering the question, candidate should ensure that they have been supplied the correct and complete question paper. No complaint in this regard will be entered after examination. So that type of instruction is written in the question paper which is issued by the MDU Rohtak. So let's solve or read what type of questions we are facing related to our subject. So in this, the note is mentioned here. So carefully read the note, what examiner want to ask and how you will attempt all the sections. So in the note, the examination has written all questions of section A are compulsory. So section A is, our section is compulsory. Now attempt any 4 questions from section B, selecting at least one question from each unit. So 4 sections are related to our syllabus. In the examination, section A is compulsory, but the remaining sections you will attempt 4 questions related to your units or related to your syllabus, and then all questions carry equal marks. So here is the question paper which is section A. Question number 1 is, write short note on firewalls, output device, TPS, web browsers and search engine. Now next question is related to your section B which is unit 1. Question number 2 is, define the term hardware and software, describe the functions of various basic flowcharting symbols. And question number 3 is, what is computer network? Discuss type and criteria for classification of computer network. In section C, which is unit 2, question number 4, which is asked by the examiner, are how computers are helpful for medical field in improving its service to the society. Now next question is, discuss internet application in business. Explain the advantages and some disadvantages of internet. After that, the unit 3, which is related to your section C, it covered questions, that is question number 6 is, define data. Explain why data mining is useful in making business decisions. And question number 7 is, explain the relationship and difference between TPS, that is a transaction processing system, and OAS, that is office automation systems. Examiner can ask you short form, like he or she examiner can ask you the same question like, explain the relationship and difference between TPS and OAS. But in this question, examiner is given you the full form of TPS. So he is asking the difference between transaction processing system, that is TPS, and OAS, that is office automation system. Now in section C, the examiner is asking 2 questions. Question number 8 is, what is multimedia? and discuss the type and uses of multimedia. And the question number 9, how to use multimedia for business marketing. In section A is compulsory, and remaining section, the next question 8 are given in front of you, and you will attempt 4 questions, and each question carrying equal marks. They have mentioned in the note, this is the pattern of our MDU University Rohtak. And now the way how you all students will appear the exam, I am going to solve this question. So the way by which we are solving this question, you can easily understand how to attempt the question in your final examination if the same pattern is given by the MDU Rohtak. So let's start to solve the question paper of April 2018 and how you will attempt these questions and how you can carry good marks after attempting the question. Let's start to solve this question paper. Now solution, or we can say let's start to solve the question paper. Write short note on, which is related to our section A. In the section A, the right short note, the first was firewalls. So you will start answering the question. Here you will mention the question number and you will give the heading of firewalls. After giving the heading and question number, you will start explaining. It's in short note, still short notes. You will start explaining the definition of firewalls, types of firewalls. You will attempt it in a with the starting of the definitions. So firewall is a, I have mentioned the definition as firewall is a network security system that monitor and, so students, the firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on, so students, you will give the definition about the firewalls. Next line you will more about the firewalls, or you can write down the short note like a firewall is typically established a barrier between a trusted internet network and an untrusted external network such as an internet. So it's a short note. You will write here, you will write in a paragraph, or if you have time, you can manage the time, then you can extend this paragraph also. After that I have added some more lines of firewalls are, it is a security barrier between two networks that screen traffic coming in and out of the gate of one network to accept or reject connections and services according to a set of rules. Another point you can mention in firewalls are, firewall is like a secretary for a network which examines request for access to the network. It decides whether they pass a reasonableness test. If they pass it, they are allowed through, and if not, they are refused. So we can write about the firewalls. In firewalls, if you can also draw a diagram also. You can mention types of firewalls also. So it's up to you how you will attempt the short notes according to your time constraints. Now, more lines are, a job of the firewall is to determine what to let into and out of the internal network. So in this way, a firewall provides access control for the network. So there are essential 3 types of firewalls. Each type of firewall filter packets by examining the data up to a particular layer of the network protocol stacks. The firewalls are, a packet filter is a firewall that operates at the network layer. A stateful packet filter is a firewall that lives that lives at the transport layer. An application proxy is the firewall that operates at the application layer where it functions as a proxy. Now, next question is short notice output device. You all are aware about the output device. So output device is a piece of computer hardware that receives data or instruction from a computer. Essentially, a computer interact with the output devices is some way. So the most common output device are the monitor and printer, but there are many others. The key distinguish between an input device and an output device is that the further sends data to the computer, whereas the latter receives data from the computer. In this short note, you can also explain the types of output devices like monitor. You can mention the name or you can explain with some lines that like that I have mentioned, like monitor. It is the most common output device used with computers is the monitor, which display videos, image and text. And a monitor consists of a screen, circuitry, a power supply button to adjust screen settings, and a casing that contain all of these components. Next is the printer. Printer are another common output device which is found in homes and in offices. So in computer term, they take electronic data stores on a computer and generate a hard copy of it. Next, output device like computer speaker. So they are hardware device that transform the signal from the computer's sound cards into audio, or speakers are essential if you want a louder sound or just a better quality of audios. Next is the headphone. It is also another output device. So if you are not write many theory related to your output device, then you start writing the types of output devices and start explaining that with whatever be you know about that output devices, like headphones which allow you to listen to audio and without disrupting other people's in the different unity of the society. So you can write here like different output devices also. Now next is the TPS, that is a transaction processing system. Firstly, you will mention TPS stands for transaction processing system. It is used to record day-to-day business transactions of the organization, and they are used by users at the operational management level. The main objective is the transaction process system is to answer routine questions. You can write some objectives like first is process data generates by and about transactions, maintain a high degree of accuracy. Third, ensure data and information integrity and accuracy. So you can write about the objectives of TPS. You can also explain the diagram related to the transaction processing system if you have remembered during the time of attempting your question paper. So you have time, so you can also explain or draw the diagram in short note also. Now next is the web browser. Web browser is known as a browser, or it is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web, that is W3. So when a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary contents from a web server and then displays the page on the screen. So they are leading four web browsers like Explorer, Firefox, Netscape, Safari are the some important web browsers, but there are many other web browsers available. So you might be interested in knowing computer browser statistics. So next is the search engines. A search engine is a website that allows user to look up information on the World Wide Web. So search engine will achieve this by looking at many web pages to find match to the user search inputs. Now next you can mention in search engines are it will return result ranked by relevancy and popularity by the search engines, and some popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, Ask.com, Forstall's, Bing. Some older services include like Lycos, Alta Vista, web crawlers. So you can write about the search engines. You can here mention some components of search engine. You can here mention some processing, some methods of search engine. How you can explain how search engine work. So working of search engine you can also explain in short note also. You can also draw the diagram which we have learned in the class with the help of crawlers, database and interfaces. So it's up to you how you will attempt, how you will manage the time to solve the question paper. So it's up to you students how you can explain, how you can make your answer sheet more attractive with the help of diagrams, with the help of figures, with the help of processings. So it's up to you how you will attempt, but the main thing you remember is you will mention unit, question number should be mentioned. That will be more helpful for the examiner or the checker. He can easily understand, yeah, this question related to unit 2 and the question number is this. So it's very compulsory to write question number and section on the top of your answer sheet. More about search engine, you can include some components of search engine. So there are the three basic components of search engine which are listed as web crawlers, database and search interfaces. In web crawlers, it is also known as spider or bots. It is a software component that traverse the web to gather information. Database, all the information on the web is stored in database. It consists of huge web resources, and search interfaces are these component. It is an interface between user and the database. It helps the user to search through the database. You can also explain some working of the search engine with the help of diagram which we have learned in the class. So you can explain it very easily in short note also. Now come to our next question which is related to our unit 2. The question is how computers are helpful for medical field and improving its service to the society. So you all are aware about the computer system, you all are aware about the definition of computer system, advantages and disadvantages of computer system, and we have learned different fields where computer is useful. So in this question you can easily attempt in medical field in how computers are helpful to improve the service to the societies. So I have mentioned some points related to this question, that is answer. Let's start the answer. How to explain. Computer can keep track for prescriptions and billing information. So they can be used to store the information about the medicine prescribed to the patients as well as those which cannot be prescribed to him or her. So it enables an efficient storage of huge amount of medical data. Even you can mention the in medical field computer is helpful for doctors also, where doctor can maintain the records related to their patients. You can also explain this. You can also explain this point in this answer. You can also explain computer is basically useful in different machines, like during the operation theater, how doctors can be helpful to screening the overall processes. Now in MRI, CT scans, different machines, X-ray machines and other more department like some radiologist department, some gynecologist department, different departments, nanotechnology department, different departments where computer is more useful. So it's up to you. If it is 20 marks, then you start mentioning the points computer is used in radiology department. In here radiology department, in X-ray machine, how computer is helpful. In nanotechnology department, it is helpful to organize, to handle the different operations in operation theaters. Doctors, they can describe the patient details, patients detail to be handled in this with the help of computers. In this answer you can do. Now next answer that I have mentioned, more points I have mentioned is same question, how computer are helpful for medical field. in improving its service to the society. You can also mention some nurse and doctors use handheld computer to record a patient's medical history. Check that they are administering the correct treatments. So results of lab test, records of vital signs, medical order, all are electronic or put into a main database that can be referred to the later. So these are the way how you can attempt the question related to the your examination or related to your MDU scheme. So these are the question by which you can handle all the questions. Now our next question, which will be then the question number 5, which will be in the next slide, the way by which I will tell you how to explain the question. So in this question you can also explain, you can write little bit, you can write with the computer definition also. You can write this question's answer with definition of computer. You can mention here the some advantages, disadvantages of computer. You can also explain some characteristics of computer. After that you can start the answering of same question like the computer, as I have mentioned in the above, what is the computer, definition of computer, advantages, disadvantages, uses and characteristics of computer I have mentioned in the above. You will mention that line and you will mark that line in a bold form or in different pen you will use. And you now in medical term, computer is used for doctors, for nurse, for machine learning, for machines, in different machines in OT, that is operation theaters, they maintain the record of patients. So you, instead of explaining that question in paragraph, you can mention that question's answer in points also, which will be very much helpful for the checker or examiner checker, you can say. So it is the way how to attempt the question, how to attempt the question paper of MDU of your final exam. The way you can, but the thing you have to remember is just to answer the question number, answer question number, answer of question number 4, and you will mention here unit 2 or section B, whatever will the mention in your question paper. It is the way. The rest of the question are in our upcoming slide. We will solve that full question paper of your April 2018. Then you will easily understand how to answer the questions of your final year papers. So student, it is all over. I have solved some questions. I think I have solved short notes and 2 more questions related to our final year question paper. Now next slides, next upcoming videos, you will learn more about how to attempt the question paper. So we will solve our April 2018 paper, which is related to our computer application in management. So students, thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you students.